There we go.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Enjoy.
Many say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. When you are road tripping, a good breakfast sets you up for the day, and Hettie's healthy cooked breakfast certainly does that. It's nice and easy to prepare, so let's go. First, make your toast and set it aside, and then fry the bacon nice and crisp. Thoroughly beat your eggs and season with a little salt and pepper. Turn on the gas and get cooking, continuously moving it to avoid burning. Once the eggs have started to thicken, add the sweet corn and most of the cheese. Continue to mix it until cooked through. Turn off the heat just before it's completely cooked through, as the eggs will continue to cook. Prepare your avocado and you're ready to dish up. Take a piece of toast, add your pesto and spread. Then on goes the egg mixture, the bacon, a sprinkle of cheese, and finally your avo. And there you have it, a healthy, hearty, simple cooked breakfast. Thanks Hettie. Make sure you watch our other useful tips videos to help you get the most from your motorhoming holiday. We'll see you soon.